fam, how you doing? I hope you're doing fantastic. I am well too, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Yes. So guys, if you're a new subscriber, thank you for joining the family. And if you're a returning subscriber, you're the best. Thank you for keeping it here. And you know, pokea kikis. Kamata kiss. Anyway, so guys, a lot has been happening. A lot has been happening in the month of February. And I think that's why I didn't do my last video. But anyway, thank you so much for showing me love on my previous video. I posted that video and you guys have shown me so much love. Hata kama the last video I posted, sijui venye kulifanyika. I honestly don't know what happened. Siku turn on the comment section was off, and some of you, especially those who have my number, they were calling and they asked, mbona umeturn off nini comment section, how are we going to even get to know the plug or perfume and all that. So apologies for that. Hiyo video hata venye ilisha pia mimi hata sijaielewa bado. I know I'm still new in this content creation thing, but in this video, the comment section will be on. So if you have any question from the previous video, if you have anything that you wanted to ask from the previous video, you can just comment down below or ask on the comment section and I'll get to answer you. Yes. So February ilikuwa short, but February said I'll be short but damn expensive. I'll be short but ain't cheap, mommy. And I felt that. So vitu mingi sana zime happen February, and I didn't manage to do the last video of the month because I said on my first video I'll be doing 3 videos in a month, or 3 or 4 videos in a month. That is depends with the month and the schedule. Is it schedule or schedule? The schedule or the schedule that I have in that month. Yeah, so vitu mingi zime happen February, zilini tie up and I couldn't even record the last video. But it's life. So the first 2 weeks of February, allow me to talk too much today because I really have a lot to say, and I feel like I am putting my February in words so that you guys can understand or get to understand why I didn't post my last video. So February, the first 2 weeks, they were so much okay. I think that is when I even posted my first video. And the last 2 weeks of Feb, haikuwa poa at all. Haikuwa poa. So this is what happened the last 2 weeks of February. Or rather, the reason as why I didn't post the last video. So one, a close friend to my mom, that is my childhood friend, her mom passed, and that really hit me up so bad. Someone close to you, or rather someone you've known for a long time, for years. This is someone that unajua hata amekuraise in some kind of way, amepass, and it really hit me hard. The same February, is it not a colleague, a high school mate called, and she had lost her child, and that was really painful. I feel like a death of a child really hits different, and I honestly hate such news, but sasa ikikufikia imekufikia, so I really had a tough moment and I needed time to just relax and digest all this at once. So that's what has been happening, but I really thank God they are all resting in peace. May the perpetual light shine upon them and may they rest in eternal peace. So that aside, and we're in March. Happy new month. Hata kama tuko tarehe 7. Happy new month. Kawiki ndio kameisha, the first week of March, and I really thank God for this month, and I hope and I pray that this month will be better and will be amazing. So have you been, guys? I hope you've been well. Mimi nimekuwa salama hii wiki ya kwanza ya March. Nimekuja hapa sasa kufanya ka video ka March, and today's content actually is about cooking. We are going to cook after this. We are going to cook, but allow me to talk, allow me to rant today, yeah. So this March, the February, sikupumzika. I didn't even have a leave in between. I was working Monday to Friday until the month was over. So in March, wiki ya kwanza nikajiambia, resting is part of working. I decided to take my leave on, I've been on leave since Wednesday. Yes, guys, I've been on leave since Wednesday. I've been resting. I've been resting, sleeping, eating, and I've just been wanting that moment of myself to just rest a little bit because it was work, work, news, but work, news, work, news, work. So I've been on leave since Wednesday, and my mama Fua was here on Tuesday. Yeah, she was here on Tuesday. I actually didn't. I don't like when she comes whenever I'm around. So I usually leave my keys. She has our you know cardia gate. So she comes, cleans, and does everything clean. So she was here, she did cleaning on Tuesday while I was at work, and on Wednesday nilikuja sorry, on Tuesday jioni nilikuja nikapata the house is clean, and I couldn't wait to rest. Wednesday I slept. I took that day personally for sleeping. I slept, I think, the entire day because I woke up at around 10, did breakfast, slept again. On Thursday I thought nimepumzika ya kutosha. Wapi? Nilijipata nimelala tena the whole day. Like half of the day, and I did some other things in the afternoon hours. At least for yesterday. Yesterday was on Friday, and I decided now let me take this day as a maintenance day. So as you've seen in the intro, I did my nails. Yeah, I went to my guy who mwenye ananifanyanga nails. He did my nails, as you can see. Very good nails. But na feel to me extend. I usually don't do these long nails. If you know me too well, I feel like they're long. Maybe ni mtu wa very short nails. I love short nails, but I'll manage. They're not too long, and I think I can manage with this. I also did my pedicure because hey, last month I did not do anything. Literally last month, I think the last 2 weeks I nilikuwa nakaa kidogo waya zimeachana. Anyway, I did my nails, I did my pedicure. I also did my lashes yesterday. Good thing with my lash tech, she usually comes in the house whenever I call her. I did, sijui kama mtaona, but yes, nimefanya lashes, zinakaa vizuri sana, si ndio? Anyway, I did my lashes, and today in the morning I decided to do my hair. Another good thing is that my salonist comes to my place, she does my hair, and good thing with her, she usually comes in the morning. Nikimwambia tu kuja by 7 so that we shukana mpaka 11, she keeps time. So she was around today, she did my hair, and I think, I'm not even thinking, this hair looks nice. Sinakaa poa, si ndio? Yes, I look nice, and I decided to go to, there is a lady who installs wigs. Mwenye you install wigs, ananichoranga eyebrows. Sijui kuchora eyebrows, but I'm trying to fight this year before it ends. Lazima nijue kuchora eyebrows, na kama sitajua kuchora eyebrows nitafanya microblading, because tell me why a whole me doesn't know how kuchora eyebrows. Tell me why. Yeah, so the reason I'm saying mnaniona niko hapa, nakaa vizuri nini nini, ni kwa sababu niliamua hii wiki nichukue ya maintenance, angalau nirudi binadamu. Nilikuwa nakaa kitu ingine bwana, gel extension, but I thank God niko poa, ninakaa vizuri. I took my time and did my my hair and did my nails. I think I look good. Why am I saying I think? I look good. Yes, I look good. Confidence. Anyway, so guys, another thing that happened during the week, I didn't tell you, not this week, last week, I went to town. I was in town last week, I think on Friday. I was meeting up with my, furniture guy, mwenye ananishonea viti, or rather mwenye ananitengezea viti. There is somewhere he said kushona viti and people were looking at me. Viti zinashono. Me, I'm always used to that name, like nimeshonewa kiti, nimeshonewa kitanda. So sijui venye. Okay, anyway, so the guy that ananitengezea viti, he's usually in Githurai 45, and I just sent an inspo late February, late last month. So he was not sure of the color of the seats zenye nataka. So the seats ziko halfway done. I'm getting new seats. Yes, I am. This is the year. I'm getting new seats, and I've been wanting to get these seats for a long time, and finally it's happening. This is the year. Yes. So ananishonea viti zangu, and I was to meet him at Gikomba. I was in town last week. I went to Gikomba, we met, and we were going to purchase the cloth, kitambaa ya kiti. Yeah, there is a textile shop in Gikomba. Actually, he's the one who advised me. I didn't know. He's the one who advised me that good textile shops. They're in Gikomba, and Bush Textile was one of them, and Tawako Textile. I've never heard of Tawako, at least for Bush Textile nimesikia, but I was there and I didn't like, they didn't have varieties, so I didn't get whatever I was looking for. So I went to Tawako Textile Shop, and they had they had varieties, so I got whatever I wanted. He bought the kitamba because I already sent him the deposit, and yeah, so akaenda shughuli zake, nikarudi home, and I can't wait. I can't wait for those seats because hey, nimesurvive na katu sita wewe, nimesurvive na katu sita. Yeah, so that's what has been up for the last month and the first week of March. So I think that's all I had. Nasikia nimeongea sana leo kwa video, but I really, really thank you guys. You guys are showing me so much love. You guys are showing me so much love. Imagine with those subscribers wangu wangapi, niko na subscribers. Sasa tulikuwa 8 Sasa tumefika 149. Ewe, nasonga. I am moving. Yes. Hiyo ndio spirit mpaka tufike 10k ama ka 5k. Yes. So I think that's all. Also, I'm sending my heart to those people who were affected yesterday by rain. I saw some videos on TikTok and on Instagram, and where hiyo maji ilibeba watu. Kuna watu nasikia hata walipoteza maisha yao. I'm really, really, I really felt that. So I hope you guys are safe and are keeping warm, because this kaweather kameamua. So with all that said, let's meet in the kitchen. Today we are going to cook. I've been thinking of what to, start with, and sijajua exactly. Okay, nimejua ni nini tunapika, but nilikuwa nataka kuuliza, what do you think we should start with? What do you think is good for us to start with? Because I've been thinking nianze na rice, hapana nianze na ngima, hapana nianze na, those questions, but I am going to do a Kenyan meal that each and every one of you knows how to cook. I know you know how to cook ugali. I know you know how to cook nini? Spinach. I know you know how to cook beef or pork or maini or anything. But have you tried my recipe? Have you? Yeah, so keep it here and see you jikoni so that we can now start cooking. I'm going to cook ugali. I think you'll just see on the, you've already seen the, what is it called? You've already seen the head of the, rather the description has already shown you that we are going to cook ugali, creamed spinach, and pork. Yesterday I took maini, so I'm not going to do beef, because beef bado iko kwa fridge and iko kwa freezer, and the beef kitambo nitoe nini, it will take me so much time, and time has already run out. So for the pork nilideliveriwa leo. There is a guy in City Market that I usually talk to, and I sent a lady from town akaniletea. So we're going to do pork, ugali, and creamed spinach. Just a simple meal with just simple recipe. Please don't expect too much. Ama sijui, oh, she cooks so fancy nini. I am cooking a very simple meal with very simple ingredients. So keep it here and see you jikoni. Bye. Guys, I honestly don't know where to start. I don't know if I'll start by apologizing. I don't know if I should start by, explaining to you what happened. So this is what happened. I set everything, and everything was ready. I actually prepped my ingredients and all that. And immediately when I wanted to start, the lights are on, I was about to action, and KPLC did that thing. So KPLC did that thing, and I had already, started marinating and all that. And actually, I wanted to cook that for my dinner that day. And since KPLC iliniweza nguvu, I felt so bad. I don't know why, but mvua ilianza, and then KPLC happened, and I couldn't do anything. So I just cooked. Nilipika tu na taa haraka nikakula, and I forgot about it. So I've changed my recipe right now. I'm from work, and guess what? Today I'll be cooking for you. I want to record haraka kabla stima ifanye ile kitu tena, but guess what again? Aki shetani wewe. Shetani ni mbaya. Nimekuja nikajiambia wacha nibandike nyama. Nikelee nyama ikuwe ina boil. Gas ikaniambia unaekelea wapi? Anyway, my gas guy is anadelivanga. Okay, he's still on, so he'll be delivering in a few. I just called him and he is on his way. Although my nyama was boiling, ilikuwa ishaanza kuboil. Aki, mimi sijui ni shetani mgani huyu ananiandama. Wacha nikuambie bebe shetani. Anyway, I had put my meat into a boil, and those are the ingredients that I will be using. I am going to do this recipe as we wait for the gas guy. I will be doing plantain and beef. Yes, I'll be doing plantain and beef. I know you know how to cook beef. I know you know how to cook plantain, but have you tried mine? Yeah, so once you watch this video, kindly consider trying the recipe, and you can also, comment down below and tell me how was it. Did you just used my recipe, and what was the outcome? Yes, before the gas guy afike, I wanted to be I wanted to plug you on the perfume that I posted on the other video. So before that, you might ask, why am I doing the plantain and beef? I feel like it's a quick fix for me. It's a very quick fix for me, and since it's late, nimetoka job, nilipitia dental. I was at Arrow Dental today for extraction ya meno yangu. Nimefanya root canal mara 100 and I'm tired, so I just wanted it extracted. Ingolewe bebe, nataka ingolewe, and wameningoa. The numbness imeisha. Of course, I am not going to eat that food that I'm going to cook. Can you imagine? Content wewe. Yes, I'm just going to show you the recipe, because na feel pia nimeweka sana, na feel pia nimekaa kama sija post video, and I feel so bad about it, because I promised you guys that each and every month I'll be doing 4 or 3 videos. So I feel like hii mwezi imeanza vizuri but sija post any video, so I'm just doing that a quick fix today. That is the plantain and the beef, and then the next video I'll at least do a family meal or a well done meal. Not that plantain is not a good meal, but I'll just do a good, or rather a nice meal, or another meal. Yes, I might do the pork thing the next video, so keep it here. But before that, let me tell you about the perfume. A quick one. I had already told you about the perfumes, and most of you were asking me, perfume ya 450 nanukia smart hivyo, sijui perfume ya 450 iko na chupa mzuri hivyo. Yes, it is 450 guys. So if you want to save that hassle ya kwenda mpaka Dubois ku get the perfume, I have a friend who sells the same perfume, and they smell so nice. Actually, she has a variety of them, but she is giving out at 500 shillings, because amekusave kwenda Dubois and all that stress, kupishana na watu and all that. So if you want, I'll just put her number down here. She's always in town. She works in town, so you can get your perfume, and you can call the number below, get your perfume at 500 shilling, 50 bob. Inaweza kufanya ukose kunukia smart. Anyway, so she has varieties. She posts on her statuses, and also she has a TikTok account where she posts also varieties of perfumes. So she's Aoko the brand in TikTok, and also kwa WhatsApp number yake ni the same. Kutumia the number enye nimeka kwa screen. Yes, so that's what I wanted. That is what I think I had forgotten to tell you. Also for the lashes lady, she's in Thika. She has a shop in Thika. That is what she told me, but she does house call, so I'll still put her number down below. So if you have any, you can just call the number for the lashes. Imagine, so expensive. I told you guys I'll be plugging you with the best, or rather something that it's legit, it looks nice on you on a budget. Yes, so atakuweka lashes na 800 bob. It's just 800. So siende kuweka lashes za 2500 huko alafu unakaa you look funny. She does house call, but this particular lash ndio za 800, these particular lashes are for 800. So if you choose another type, or if you want another, they are different, so you just call the number below. She'll explain to you You can WhatsApp her, you can call her, and she will deliver. Yeah, for the nywele hapo nayo salonist wangu. Okay, I'll just put her number. She does house call, same case, and just call her. If utafika salon yake, yeye anakuanga na salon fedha. Kama utafika fedha, sawa. Kama utamwambia kuja, utamtumia transport, sawa. So that's it, guys. So hey, pepo mbaya, pepo ni mchafu, shetani wewe. Anyway, wacha ningoje msee wa gas afike, and then I will be going to cook for you guys. But before hata afike, I can just be prepping my ingredients. I have let me just show you. So my meat will be boiling as I prep other ingredients. I'm walking all alone. Each streetlight tells a story of a love that used to be. The faces in the crowd, they all seem so proud, but deep inside I'm drowning in the sea of my missing. I try to find my way through the maze of every day, but every turn reminds me of the love we once had. I wanna run back to you like a river to the blue. No matter how far I've been, I know my heart will always win. I wanna run back to you, leave all my fears behind. In your arms I'll find the peace that I've been seeking. The rain falls on my face, washing away the trace of the pain and the sorrow that I've carried for so long.
I wanna